Hi, welcome back to the Bing Loizaga Show with the special participation of Jano Gib.
Bumalik pa kayo, ha? Okay yun.
Oo naman. Bakit naman hindi?
Mukhang kawawa kaming dalawa dito sa mga guests namin. Ang aming first guest sa Jana and Bing channel, ang aming mga supling.
Oh, gosh.
Please welcome Chi and Gabs.
Hello, children.
Hi, Gabs. Anong feeling niya na meron na kaming sariling channel? At si Ma'am, social media, vlogger na. What do you feel about
revelation
that?
ba ito?
Oo.
Ikaw, what do you feel about it?
I'm intrigued. Let's see what this episode will give to you viewers. Tingnan natin today. I'm proud of you for, being
Kasi
a
di ba si
hostess.
Ma'am, hindi nagpo-post, hindi sumasama sa mga ano.
Nagugulat nga ako sa nakikita ko eh. Kung totoo ba to or hindi.
Para lang clear, si Chi ang panganay. Kasi minsan, di ba, nalilitaw ang mga tao.
Yes.
Parang, yung anak mo, nakilala ko yung gumagawa na Neon Island, si Gabi. Hindi. Si Chi ang panganay, si Gabs ang bunso.
Yes. Hindi lang halata kasi mas maliit ako kay Gabs.
Yeah.
That is the reason.
Dahil nabanggit mo yun, syempre sa akin mo naman na yun. Unfortunately.
Obviously.
Ano yung mga pinagmanahan nyo kay Ma'am at sa akin? Itsura-wise,
Alam nyo na.
Itsura-wise.
parang mas
Alam
kayo ni Ma'am.
Oo.
Parang ikaw ang mini-me.
Yes. Lagi kaming napagsasabihan na magkamukha tayo. Especially when you were younger. No, I think Gabs also looks like you eh. Pa din. Pero kayo, baby pics nyo, sobrang kayo ni Gabs.
Ako kulang na lang bigote. So,
Try kaya natin.
meron na, nag-grow na siya. Actually, kaka-shave ko lang today.
Pero ugali, parang baliktad.
I think so.
Kayo
Because
nga
epal ako
mag-analyze
eh.
Alam nyo na.
Ugali, I think both of you are very fiery. Kami yung mas kalmado.
Parang no. Alam mo, dagdag mo sa epal, liar.
Ayun na nga.
Ako feeling ko halo. Meron ka mga traits na Ma'am.
Yes.
Like Gabs.
True naman.
Oo. Kami ni Gabs, hindi kami bossy.
Hindi kayo bossy, pero sinong gumagawa ng lahat in this family? Tayo.
Wait a minute.
We have to be bossy, otherwise wala kayong gagawin. Diba?
Wait. Hindi na ako nakatira sa kanila. So, iba na yun.
Ikaw na yung gumagawa na.
Ako na yung gumagawa. So, I've learned my lesson.
And what lesson is that?
How to clean, how to do my laundry.
Parang may pakawa.
Mahirap pala. So, props to you guys for doing everything. Half of my life. Yes!
You know what din? Kasi in our families, tayong dalawa, we're the panganay. Silang dalawa, they're both bunso.
Magandang ano. Hindi ko na naisip
Hindi mo
yun.
naisip yun?
Hindi ko
We're
naisip.
both
Oo nga.
ikaw yung kuya in your siblings.
Tama,
Ako yung
tama.
ako. So,
Pero sa atin, tayong dalawa ang Aries.
yes. Pag sa Zodiac.
Si
Tayong
Gabs.
mas malapit.
Yeah, 1 month
August,
apart.
September tayo.
Leo, Virgo.
Besides your good looks, no!
Besides our beautiful voices. Yes! Diba? Hindi na mention. I think I'm more sporty than you guys.
Naturally athletic. Parang they can pick up any sport right away silang dalawa. I'm more of a Gibbs. She's more of a Lizaga in that sense.
Tama.
I will agree.
Tayo naman, we're smarter. Joke.
Nakakatawa kayo.
We're the brains of this operation. Joke lang.
Hindi na.
Pwede ba mag-walk out sa sarili?
Wag, magiging Gibbs ka kung gano'n.
Sino nakamana ng taray ni Ma'am?
Ikaw.
Ako talaga.
Init ng ulo ko.
Wala.
Wala.
Ako pa rin. Damn. Kung ako naman ako. Ako naman yung traits ko.
Sino nagmana sa pagka-late ko?
Actually, we both got that.
Yeah, we both got that, unfortunately.
Actually, late kami ngayon eh. So, there you go.
So, in this group, kaming tatlo yung sobrang bagal kumilos when we travel. Pag sa bahay, si Mom yung ready na siya, iniintay na lang niya kaming tatlo. Patagalan kami.
Dahil namanan nyo yung kaartehan sa pag-aayos. Vanity.
Sa kanya. That's
Makeup,
so-
hair.
Si Ma'am Cowboy eh.
Super.
Sa itsura ko to, cowboy ako ha. Mind you.
Ngayon.
No, totoo.
Ma'am will go for comfort.
Yes.
Diba?
She's very low maintenance. Kami,
Siguro ako na yung
ay
pinaka.
lahat. Sobrang high maintenance.
Dito ka kasama.
Actually, siya yung pinaka-high maintenance
Ikaw ang
sa atin,
pinaka.
Ikaw
ah.
ang pinaka-imitan.
Such
Pinakamaarte.
a difficult person.
What are your earliest childhood memories?
Go on.
Wala akong issue kay Alisa na nagtatantrum or magbibigay ng attitude. Wala. Ang issue ko was more of dun sa mga kaklase ng inggit sa kanya.
Mga kaklase na?
Na inggit. Kasi si Alisa, si Alisa was the
Inggit?
type of, let's say, student na will give the apple to the teacher. Ganon. Good girl kasi. Good girl si Chi. Si Gabs din, good girl.
Kisses.
Yes.
Oo, okay.
Well,
Yes ka.
Ano ako?
Hindi yun inggit. Irita lang sila sa'yo.
Ako yung sumbongera
Oo.
in the class.
Si Gabs naman, once in a while may tantrum.
Once in a while.
Yeah. Especially pag riding the plane.
Sa-
Si Gabs yung nagwawala talaga.
Okay. Parang ayoko na dito.
Pero si Gabs naman, kahit nung bata pa yan, talagang ipaglalaban ka niya pagka-partner ka niya. Ganon.
Ako naalala ko,
Paninindigan
si
meron ka.
Gabs, masakitin.
Isa pa yun.
Parang
Well,
tuwing
parang
birthday
ikaw.
niya, may...
Magulo na nga ako. Sasakit pa ako.
Hindi. Di ba mga pictures mo ng birthday mo?
Yeah, I was a sad child.
Watery eye. Hindi naman sad.
Hindi kasi may sakit.
Oh, may sakit
Actually,
nga.
lahat ng birthday ko.
Parang ganun.
Skit-sick on my birthday. Ito naman.
Ano yung lagi sinasabi ni Pops sa inyo nung bata kayo?
Yan. Billing ko lagi. Natatandaan niyo pa yan?
Yes, no
No
sugat,
sugat, no dapa.
no
Something.
tasa, may ganun.
One good memory ko kay Gabs is every day yan, either naka-Snow White siya, naka-Pocahontas siya, naka-may Jasmine siya.
Oo.
Makikipaglaro siya sa lahat ng kapitbahay namin na nakasapatilya with heels. Ganyan,
Okay.
meron siguro mga parang 1/2 inch to 1 inch heel yung kanya mga shoes na match sa costume. So, ang laki-laki nung masa niya dito.
From
Kasi
being in heels.
tumatakbo siyang
Strong
gano'n
ako na-
nakikipagpabulan sa ibang kids.
So, fashion ka na nun.
Yes.
Tsaka mahilig na siya sa makeup nun, actually.
Oo, lagi siyang
She would really
Oo
always
nga.
play with mom's makeup.
Yes.
Early
Oo.
on.
Siya yung aking talagang doll.
Ito yung reason kaya hindi ako tumangkad. Ginigising nila ako pagdating nila from taping na mga 2 a.m., 3 a.m. para kumain ng pizza or chocolates or something. Kasi absent na ako the next
Take
day.
away.
So, that kind
Mas ako yata yun di ba?
Oo,
Pag-uwi
oo.
na
Pero si
late.
Ma'am,
May dala akong ano.
chocolate. Kaya gigisingin ako bata. Okay,
Oh, mama,
nanonood ako
hanggang
ng-
6 a.m. tayo natutulog.
Or, magbe-video games kayo. Then, like,
sobrang
late
tagal.
at night. Tapos,
Sa grade
pumasok
school,
bukas.
kaya pumasok mo.
Ganon. Ganong type of parents.
Pero at least you came out pretty well.
That's true. Tsaka hindi kayo yung parang, kunwari,
Tumali na,
Bawal.
naging street smart naman tayo.
That's
Joke
true.
lang.
What's nice is, malaki yung age gap nyo. Ating-ate ka na.
no?
Ang malaki-laki. Significant.
That's true. I think that's why sobra nating magkasundo. Hindi naman tayo ever nagkaroon ng big
Yeah.
fighting.
Mas nangyayari yun pag malapit yung age.
I feel like tayo, since
Since
there's
double.
a bit of a gap.
Joke lang. Since double yung
Gap. No, but since there's a gap, parang our relationship has really always been ate, bunso. Clear, ano siya.
No, never tayo nagkainisan nga because she was older. So, parang second mom vibes. Ganun. Yes. Aww. Pinilit niya akong isagot yun kanina sa car. Pinilit niya ako.
Of course not.
Hindi, bihira talaga mag-away. Dalawa. We can attest to that. Diba?
Totoo yan.
We're always usually on the same team. Ang inaaway namin, kayo.
Yeah.
Kami, hindi kami nag-aaway.
Hindi.
Inaaway namin kayo.
Ganito, naalala ko, minsan naririnig ko silang nag-argue.
We have healthy debate.
Oo. Tapos papasok ako sa kwarto. Can you please stop? Why? Why are you? Mamaya ako na yung kaaway. Sila na magkakampi. So, aalis na lang ako na room, di ba yung, okay! At least bati na sila. Pero galit na kayo sa akin kasi nakialam ako. Ganon. Ganon ang friendship nila.
Would I be right if I say we are kinda liberal parents?
Yeah. For sure. you know what I always say sa mga interview?
Yan, paulit-ulit niya ito
Paulit-ulit
sinasabi.
ito sinasabi.
Please watch all our interviews. Nandito yun. So,
I say this. Sinasabi ko, we grew up in a bohemian household. Yun yung
Nice.
description ko of it. Kasi, saan ka nakakita ng parents na ine-encourage yung mga anak nila mag-absent? Absent na lang kayo bukas, manood tayo ng movie.
college. Joke.
At an earlier than usual age, medyo pinapayagan na namin kayo manood ng medyo...
A little more adult.
Pero sasabihan ko lang na, ito medyo...
Nakakatakot to, or this is bloody,
medyo
don't look.
pikit kayo ng konti,
May ganun.
Siniscreen ko muna
Yes.
yung movie.
And always with you guys. Hindi naman yung by ourselves. But in that sense, very bohemian. Kasi not a lot of
Yeah.
families grew up like that. That's also because kayong dalawa, you raised us as teenagers. So,
Kasi bata rin kami.
oo, bata rin kayo eh. So,
Nilala mo yung gusto namin ipasok ka sa Jurassic ba yan?
ay, oh my gosh. Oo.
Ang Jurassic.
I don't like this because it's exposing my age. PG-13 yung one of the Jurassic Parks.
Oo.
And then, bawal pa ako pumasok ng movie kasi maliit pa ako. Pinilit niya. Kasama naman kami. We're gonna...
Oo, nakipag-away
Oo,
ako.
nakipag-away siya. Anyway, pumayag sila. We watched Jurassic Park. Eh, hindi ako makatulog for 1 week. Sobra akong natakot dun sa Jurassic Park.
Bago sila ipanganak, would you remember, kung naging lalaki ka, ano dapat ang
Oh my God,
ipapangalan ko
sobrang
sa'yo?
labo ng mga names.
Buisit
Ay,
na
ikaw
buisit.
muna.
Hindi ako buisit.
Wow,
I would
wait.
have loved it.
Uy! Uy, naisip.
Ay, naisip. Yung name ko dapat, if I was a guy, would have been Superman.
Hindi, di ba?
Wait lang, si Gabs. Ni
Ay,
Mga
hindi,
In fairness-
yun muna pag-usapan
Sige,
natin.
sige.
Because, ma'am, why?
Bakit?
Superman?
Bakit Superman?
Bakit nga ba?
Hindi, may stuffed toy tayo na...
Dog na parang corgi na
Okay,
stuffed
ang
toy.
random.
Weird.
Pero Superman yung name nung dog.
Ay, kasi, nakikita mo naman, ako, Jano, di ba? Parang, saan nakuha ng daddy ko yun? Parang gano'n.
In fairness na, naisip ko, siya cool pala nun.
Oo.
Jamiroquai.
Jamiroquai.
Jamiroquai Gibbs?
Hindi, wala naman yung kway.
Quai ba?
Meron.
Wala, Jamiro lang.
Hindi, meron.
Not just Jamiroquai.
Jamiro James.
Ay, ang akin sobrang... Wait,
Neo. Told me before, you're thinking about Neo.
as in si
For
Neo.
Gabs. Neo the Matrix.
Neo the Matrix.
Matrix.
Yeah.
Kala ko yung ni Fedor.
Jamiroquai kasi usong singer yun noon.
Oo, pero Jamiro lang.
Cool naman.
Eh, cool.
Pero jam yung name ko. Sorry to all the jams out there.
Punta tayo sa school experiences nyo.
I hated school. Ano ka bilis? I hate it.
Ano?
I kind of hated school also, but not because I hated class and studying. I was a very studious girl. Pero sobrang binubully ako in school.
Dahil?
Dahil
nag-artista
nag-aartista ka na noon.
Oo.
Sure.
Hindi, pero
Hindi, pero ginusto mo naman yung mag-artista. Aminin mo naman yung totoo.
Pinilit ka ba namin?
Oo. Hindi naman.
Ano yung mga ginawa na? Of course, ang una natin yung tayong tatlo, yung hindi ako
Hindi ako
under.
under.
Ilan taon ka nun?
Di pa
Siguro
ako
4
buhay.
or 5.
3 or 4. Oo.
Oo, 4. Kasi, remember?
Oo. I was that young.
Kwento mo yan.
Oo, bungi ako nun. Nakaano ako nun.
Dentures.
Nag-shooting kami, nahulog yung one front tooth. Okay, papagawa ng pustiso. Kasi nakunan yung ibang eksena na
continuity.
after a few days, nahulog yung kabila. Hoy! Gawa na naman ng panibagong pustiso.
Pedro Penduko, Return of the Comeback. Ikaw si Tungkong Langit. Tapos commercials, marami tayong
Oo.
nagawa.
Yun ang maraming nagawang
I
commercial.
also did a sitcom.
Yes.
Oo nga
yung
pala.
ABS.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
with Dolphy.
Yes,
Yeah.
Tito Dolphy.
Tisa. Kaya ka binubuli. Anong sinasabi nila?
Inaasar nila akong nag-aartista, na kayo, mga magulang mo. Hindi naman si mga ganon. Stuff on the news. Kinukuha yung ID ko, pinagpapasapasan.
Ang
ako
sweet
naman,
naman
ano,
ng mga classmate mo.
Oo, I was super bullied in school. Pero rin ako, yun nga. I was super studious and sumbongera. So,
nagdagdag ka pa.
oo. Lalo kong naging ganon, I feel.
And Gabs?
You were bullied for a little bit then when you were young.
We went to the same high school. Pero parang pressure ako maging kasama ng mga cool kids. Lika dito ka sa dark side. Sa mga popular. So, I'm like,
Mas
no!
medyo siya mysterious, artsy, rebellious girl in school. Ganun.
Kwento mo yun,
Emo.
yung
girl.
pumasok ka na, nagpa-haircut ka na.
So there was this one time, since experimental ako, shinive ko yung half ng head ko nung high school. So, parang nung break, syempre pinapakita ko, cool ako, di ba? Wala akong buhok dito. Parang, cool. Pinagalitan ako ng principal. Bawal. Parang sabi ko, na-hide ko naman pag inaayos. You have to call your mom. Ganyan. Sabi ko, mommy, hair ko, blah, blah, blah. So, si mom, parang the day before, nagpagupit siya, sobrang iksi, na parang nakaganon na yung hair. Tapos pumasok siya sa school.
Nakaganon yung hair ko.
Nakaganon yung hair,
Parang,
parang anong gagawin mo? So, after nun, nalalabas ko na yung hair ko. I don't know what you said to the principal.
Pero she couldn't tell you off.
She couldn't tell
Oo
wild
eh.
yung book.
Wild yung buhok ng nanay.
Oo.
So, paano mo papagalitan yung anak?
Parang black and white pata yung hair mo. Parang,
Malamang. Anyway, ganun po talaga.
You studied
I took up psychology in Ateneo.
Tapos mo yun, di ba?
I graduated with honors, excuse me.
Sorry.
Yes, of course I did.
Tapos nagturo ka ng sandali.
I was a preschool teacher for a bit bago ako nag-fashion design.
Neon Island.
Yes.
Ikaw naman, Gabs.
Ako,
you
I
studied
did multimedia in
Benilde.
and then I did my master's sa Torrance.
And then you
Australia,
also
Sydney.
studied.
Nagparang gap year lang ako for makeup and film. But, daming time. Tinan mo, studios nga. 3 beses nga ako nag-aral.
No, you know what? You did so well in college because gusto mo na yung inaaral.
Yeah.
Di ba iniiwan mo dahil parang iba na yung tinuturo
nag-iba
nila?
yung curriculum. Tapos half of my classes na parang traditional arts were taken out. Naging na lang, coding, computer.
But you left us for 1 year to study...
2 years
2 years ba yun?
Yeah, that was 2
To
years.
study makeup in Australia.
Actually, hindi ko to mukha. Yes, galing.
Really?
But yeah.
Anong school yun?
Cameron Jane.
How was that experience? Of course,
Yeah, you
wala
guys
kami,
were
pero...
there from time to time.
Bumibisita kami, pero you were staying with Tita Prince, di ba?
Yeah, for a while. I felt very independent. But you guys were there for my birthday. Parang you were at the...
come a lot. We would go
May
to
video tayo, hinahatid kita sa
sa
train.
bus. Yeah, sa bus.
Napapakita ko rin yung picture nung...
I even got mom for my graduation. Siya yung minikapan ko na parang vampire. Siya yung kinuha.
Hindi masyadong mahirap kasi mukha akong vampire.
So, yun. I even got her. It's just cute. It was a fun time.
Yes.
May naalala ko, may
high
variety
school.
show sila sa school. Malaki na to, dalaga na. High school na ba yan?
Yeah.
Pinagalitan ka dahil hindi ka nagre-rehearse, di ba?
Hindi, Epa lang talaga yung teacher. Parang, I think he knew, no, I think he knew I was your daughter. So, binigay niya sa akin yung pinakapangit na part na parang,
Pero may solo ka,
niya.
di ba?
May solo ka, pero weird. Anyway.
May
Parang-
pinapagawa siya sa'yo.
May pinapagawa siya
way
sa akin
of
na-
singing it.
Oo, na parang, basta he always just did it on purpose. Parang to piss me off or something. He took a dig at me na parang, anak ka kasi ni parang you can't get what you want. Parang some random, may ganun. So,
Privileged ka.
privilege. So, akin parang, But I studied in OB Montessori and all of my classmates were pretty much mga anak na artista and privileged kids.
Ang pinapakanta sa'yo,
Para siguro
Sulat
yun.
ni Tito.
I think it's that.
so anong sinabi mo dun sa
So,
teacher?
one time, parang nung malapit na yung showing, I think you guys were there. And then,
Sabi,
or
"Hindi ka
sinundo ako ni
nagre-rehearse."
mom, or hindi ka nagre-rehearse. Sabi ko, I was in Tito Ogie's house. He was actually teaching me how to sing the song properly.
Hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo yun.
So, actually, I know how to sing it properly. So, it's this way. Yes! So, naging mabait na siya sa akin. Kasi parang, oh my God, si Ogie Alcacen.
Buti na lang ninong mo nga siya.
Thanks, Tito Ogs.
Ginamit ka ni Gabi.
Love ya. Alala ko yun. Kunento ko sa'yo. Pap, umayon ginamit ko si Tito Ogie for school.
Love life na tayo.
Ay, dami
Gano'n
mga-
kayo katagal?
10 years.
Oh, tama.
my God,
Bihira,
guys.
bihira.
And now we're 13 years. So, 3 years
wow.
married.
So, how old was I
And
then?
to what? And to katitos.
Yes. We live in Singapore now. Or actually, ang laging ano sa akin is yung video nung wedding ko of you singing.
yeah.
So people always come up to me and talk to me about that. Oo.
Maybe the face. Nabanggit dun sa wedding mo, isa sa speech ng mga ano.
Yung mga friends ko.
Oo.
Oh.
Na?
Nung naging si Anton na.
Ano ko na to?
Kasi si
For a
Anton lang
change,
ang
gwapo naman
For a
yung
change, gwapo
naging
naman.
boyfriend mo.
Ba't ganun?
That is so insulting to all my exes. I'm very sorry. Number
I'm
one.
not. It's true.
Pero, you know what? It's because I'm attracted to personality and intelligence.
Hindi
That's
naman,
why...
may mga itsura naman yung mga...
Personality and intelligence naman si Anton.
No, exactly.
Oh, yun naman.
He's the whole package.
So the possibility is there. Pwede namang gwapo tsaka intelligent.
And inaano ko lang, dinedefend ko lang yung previous choices ko. Pwede ba?
Okay naman yung mga previews mo. Tinatawag lang naman nila akong Darth Vader.
Oo nga.
Ha? Bakit?
Who's that?
Okay.
You know who you are.
Takot sila kayo.
Your mom's Darth Vader.
Takot sila kay mom. Actually,
Alam mo?
takot sila kay mom. Takot din sila kay Gab.
Mas takot sila sa akin.
Talaga.
Sobrang ano si Gab.
Alam ko bakit.
We used to go to, we went to the same school, no? So I'm obviously upper batch.
I had problems, guys. I had
Pero
problems.
bully niya yung mga manliligaw ko. Oo, sinisipa mo.
Ay, hindi ko naman ginano ng mga...
Ganun si Gab. Yung parang kunwari in line sa canteen. Bigla lang may gagawin. Sisipa.
Boyfriend ka ng kapatid ko.
Ganun. Ganun siya.
I don't
You were
know what
such a
was happening.
protective, ano.
I also had to let out my problems. Sa boyfriends mo. Labo.
Ngayon, you're married. Gabs just recently got engaged.
Yes.
Yes.
Engaged.
Beautiful ring.
Gusto mo bang
Actually, siya yung nag-design nito.
Gusto mo bang mag-expound doon?
Bakla na ako ngayon. That's what you guys wanna know.
Diretso mo masyado.
But yeah.
It's great.
It's great, guys. Love it. That's what you wanna know.
Magkaibang timing mo ba sinabi sa amin ni ma'am?
Actually,
Nauna mo kayo ni ma'am?
yeah. I sat down with mom. I was like, dating a girl. She's like, okay. As in, walang reaction. So, okay, sabihan ko na si Pop.
Sabi mo, Pap, I have to tell you something. May ganun may hawak. Oh, sige. I'm dating a girl. Sabi ko, joke ba to? Kasi mahilig ka mag-joke eh. May joker to eh.
Sobra,
Mahilig
oo,
mag-prank
totoo.
o magana. Pero sabi ko, kung hindi, okay lang. Hindi, totoo. Okay. Sabi ko.
Okay.
But before that, nagka-boyfriend ka.
Yeah, nagka-boyfriend din ako for a long time.
Long time.
Naka-close pa rin namin.
This is the setup.
Setup.
Liar.
Uy.
Do you remember any fights with us?
Ang hirap eh, kasi lahat tayo nag-away.
lahat na tayo, no? Nag-away na.
Yes, pero tayo,
Mas kayo
madalas
nag-away.
mag-debate. Hindi naman away
Oo.
yun eh.
Actually, yung debate ninyo is
Oo.
a regular thing.
It's a regular thing, but it's because we enjoy debating. Mahilig kami mag-discuss ng politics, pop
Ang huli
culture.
nating pinag-debatean,
Oh, gosh.
Superman and Fantastic Four.
Yes, oo.
Talagang
So hindi naman siya
di ba?
away eh. Like we enjoy having those
Talagang
discussions.
nag-away na tayo talaga.
pag kami nag-debate or nag-aaway, sila, they just stay out of it.
Nakikiganon ako. Nakikiganon ako.
Kasi yung mini-message kita, Gabs, backupan mo nga ako. Joke lang.
You know what? Yeah.
Tapos, kayo ba ang nag-aaway?
Kayo.
Kayo ni Gabs? Kayo ni
Oo.
Ma'am?
Oo.
I think in my angsty years, Mom hated me. But we're besties now. Right?
Mom hated you.
I hated you too. Yeah!
Let the truth
But
come
besties na
out.
tayo. Love ya.
Sino yung nag-mediate ng lahat ng fights, ng lahat ng tao
let's think.
sa pamilyang to?
Sab, napaka-perfect na anak. Ikaw! Diba? Gusto mo ganon.
Hindi. I'm just unbiased. Hindi ako kumakampi. Specifically with anyone.
True naman.
Kapag
You're
nag-aaway.
neutral.
Hindi.
I'm neutral.
Kunyari, pag ako ang kausap niya, kakampi siya sa akin. Pag kausap niya si Ma'am,
Oh,
kakampi
see,
siya.
yan ang, yan ang magaling na mediator.
So, ano ka
So,
lang pala?
pag halimbawa, may
Two-faced.
kaaway ko,
Just
halimbawa, si Bing or si Gabs. Dadaan ko kay,
Yeah.
Chi, kausapin mo naman si Gabs. Bakit naman siya? Or si Ma'am.
Tapos kakausapin ko siya. Hindi totoo na, kumakampi ako. I just, am fair with the points. Kunwari, pag si Ma'am kausap ko, papagalitan ko siya. Pag ikaw yung kausap ko, papagalitan kita. I-bring ko yung points ni Ma'am. No, hindi na ako mag-mediate sa inyo,
We tayo, friends. Yeah. Hindi lang ang sinasabi.
Alrighty.
Ako kasi, I'm the clocker.
Yes.
Palagi. Ha?
So-
Talaga? Ganun pa. Tapos ikaw yung
Put out ng
ng
fire.
fire.
Who'd like to imitate me? Who would like to imitate Ma'am?
Si Gabs sobrang galing mag-impersonate.
Naku, pressure mo naman.
Bigay mo, okay, give your impression of Pop na pinipicturan.
Ganun.
Picturean kita. Ikaw si Pop.
Pictorial.
Picture mo ako.
Okay. Ito.
Ganun siya. Yan. Hindi sa ilalim na, yeah. Yeah, di ba?
Si Ma'am. Gaya mo si Ma'am. Okay, ikaw.
May naisip ka
Oo,
din.
may naisip na siya. Inaantay ko na lang.
Yes.
Ganyan.
Yes. Yes.
Ganyan.
Ano pa ba?
Si Ma'am kasi madaming quotable quotes eh. Mapapasok ng Enter the Dragon!
Yung mga kasambay, pag anong ulam, anong blocking natin ngayon? Blocking po?
Binubuli ka nila. Di naman ako lang yung friend.
Yeah, I know. Kaya mawala silang food.
Okay. How we bond?
Movies, for sure. Mahilig
Yan.
talaga tayo manood ng movie.
Travels.
Yes, travel. Food. Hilig tayo kumain. Or foodies.
Para lang ma-picture nila kung paano tayo mag-travel. Unang-una, si Anton ang gumagawa.
Itinerary.
Wala siya dito.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Nakaplano yun. From day one, ito ang lunch, ito ang dinner, tapos dito muna tayo pupunta sa building na to. Ganun. Ngayon, insight lang on how fashionable we are when we travel.
Yeah.
Bago kami lumabas, magtatanungan kami, anong suot nyo? Anong vibe?
Actually, even packing it.
Oo.
Sasabihin ni Ma'am, what should I bring? Should I bring this? This? Bring your yung blue mo na ganyan.
Or,
Or,
nag-book si Anton sa isang restaurant na ngayon, so medyo bihis. Okay, magdala na isang outfit na medyo bihis.
Oo.
Meron kami mga...
Tapos, silang dalawa mag-a-approve. We love food, right? Pero iba tayo ng gusto eh.
We give
Your
each
choice.
other
Your
deals
choice. Ganun.
on
Your
the
choice.
trip.
Yeah, tsaka meron tayong voting.
Wala na si Ma'am nun. Talo na siya nun.
Oo, talo na. Mom hates Chinese food.
Hindi naman, okay lang.
Mom is actually the pickiest eater.
Oh, pickiest eater and the hardest person to gift.
Totoo yun.
Kinalaman yun sa
Oo,
akin.
totoo yun.
totoo.
Hardest, you'd think she's the most low maintenance, pero hardest person to gift. Wala akong maisip 27 years na ako nag-iisip ng gift.
Si ma'am, kung ano-ano ang gusto. Wala siyang like ako, yung alam mo na, mahilig ako sa shades, mahilig ako sa toys na ganito. Si ma'am,
Gusto
iba
ng
pa.
oven.
Pwede oven,
lagi
pwede rin.
maganda yung
Kasi
gift
mag...
ko kay mom.
Ay, joke
Perfect
lang.
na naman siya, Gabs.
Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
Hindi. Mom has her phases kasi. She's into different things. Kunwari, may time you're super into yoga.
Alam mo, may isang time.
You have a lot of hobbies din that madaming pwede i-gift sa'yo. That's why it's hard to choose.
Humingi siya ng ninja stars isang bit. Ninja stars. Sabi, saan ako kukuha ng ninja star? Kumuha na lang ako ng magnet na ninja stars. Hindi ko alam
Start
bakit.
para pag may taulo mo.
Random wish list.
Kinawawa niyo ako.
Kawawa
Christmas.
ka nun. Ma'am,
Maganda
bumili nun. Si ma'am bumili nun.
Galit pa kasi siya sa akin. Ang gaganda ng gift nila. Ako, ang regalo sa akin, yung malaking Hulk na hand. Ang gagawin ko dun?
Nakongolekta ka naman kasi ng toys. Pero he hated that gift.
Buti nga rin, nagaluhan pa kita eh. Magkagalit nga tayo. Buti nga.
Tapos yan.
So,
Full pa ako.
if you guys remember, yung love language natin before, we'd stick notes sa doors.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Oo.
ng bata.
Diba?
When we were kids.
Yeah.
Let's say, alis ako, mag-stick ako na.
Usually, kasi maaga ang shooting. Bago sila magising for school, maglalagay kami ng mga post-it sa doors.
Or
nila.
drawing. Ganun.
Or
drawing.
sila naman, pag matutulog na at wala pa kami, nasa shooting pa kami, lalagay din sila ng mga post-it sa door.
Kept a lot of them, di ba?
Yeah, we did.
Inukat namin.
A lot of
Actually,
your
naiiyak kami
drawings.
pag binabasa namin.
Iyak ka nga eh. Iyak ka nga eh.
It's very sweet. Ikaw, of course, very notable and we're all proud, yung Nike Jordan 2s mo.
Oh, thank you so
Sino mo
much.
nakapag-design for Nike?
Rarity. Such an honor to be able to do that. But that's also because of Lolo Kaloy.
Yeah.
I mean, it just was serendipitous and they wanted to get me as a designer, but also we were celebrating si Lolo Kaloy as a Hall of Famer. Nagkataon yung timing was perfect. And that opportunity came to me because of Lolo Kaloy. I'm forever grateful.
And thank you for reminding the younger generation who Lolo Kaloy.
Tapos, nagkaroon kayo ng face, kayong dalawa, the gifts, when I guested you in my YouTube and you sang yung Dua Lipa.
Naku, huwag niyo
No
na-search.
rules,
No
no
rules.
rules. Diba?
Huwag niyo na-search.
Yun, I think that pinasolo ko, pinaduet ko sila dun
Oh
sa
my gosh.
YouTube.
That's true.
And daming nagkagusto. It was viewed well.
It was
So,
viewed worldwide.
And that's why we were,
You signed with
Share
Tarshir
then
Records.
Tarshir.
Ano ng Star Sister. And you had two,
Yeah, two singles.
No Hearts and
Angel.
Angel Baby.
We wanna know for No Hearts. Pero we discovered our love for songwriting because of you.
Si Gabs, for a while you worked for Sunny's.
She developed products for
Sunny.
Sunny.
Pero good experience naman yan, di ba?
I love Georgina Wilson. And
Yeah.
Jess Wilson. Yeah, may mention lahat ng boss. Love you guys. But yeah, I worked with them for a bit.
For a bit.
Yeah.
Ano bang
I
ginagawa
was a
mo?
product development manager. Yes. Corporate.
You're each coming out with different stuff.
I'm gonna launch a
Yeah.
new brand. So
Wow,
gonna
wow,
happen
wow.
this year.
Clothing.
Alright.
Clothing, yes.
And,
Clothing.
of course,
And I launched my company, Open House World. It's a photography studio and a cafe and a recording
And the
studio.
food is so
And the
good.
food's thebomb.com.
ganda pa ng vibes. Ganda ng aesthetic.
It's a vibe.
Siyempre. Ikaw yan.
So, one of these days, doon naman tayo mag-shoot. Papakita natin ang open house.
Yes.
Ikaw ba?
So, alam mo na, libre yun. Agad-agad.
I'll send the rates.
Ikaw ba may open house records kayo?
Yes.
So
I'm
magre-record ka ba
coming
ng sarili
out
mo?
with my own EP. Yes.
Wow.
Hopefully, end of next year or mid next year.
Medyo na I've heard a couple of.
And then, oh my gosh, we're gonna launch our podcast.
Yeah.
So,
Ay, oo.
We're excited.
Good job, good job.
Job. Congrats on everything.
Yeah.
As always, we are sincerely proud of each of you.
We are very blessed to have
It's
two lovely, outspoken children.
It's so nice that you hear it from other people. Diba? Sinasabi, naku, ang ganda-ganda ng pagpapalaki nyo dun sa dalawa. Diba? Sarap maramdaman.
Galing natin. Grabe what's happening.
So, thank you, kids. Thank you
Thanks for guesting us.
Kami naman mag-guest ni Ma'am sa
Thank you for making time.
podcast niyo.
Yes.
Our podcast is
The
The Gibbs Guide. Yes.
Thanks, kids. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood pa rin ng Jana and Bing channel.
Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell button.
Notification bell.
What would you guys do without us? Yeah! What would you guys do without us?